Hello, I bought this kit from Teexpert. We've got 8 ounces of the resin and the hardener. We've got some golden flakes, 6 pigment colours, tweezers, 3 pigment powders, or mica powders should say, 5 sticks, 4 moulds, and all for, I think it was just over £20, so I think that's a really good bargain actually. So I think today I'm going to use this mould and I'm going to attempt a beach style little board thing. Okay, I'll put this on a bit of a slant because I want to have like the sand down here and then the sea up that end. I've mixed up some Teexpert, it's a little bit bubbly at the moment. I'm going to use some of this milk tea gold. I'll have a bit of this, if I can open it. Then we will, oh blimey, that one everywhere. Make sure you have your mask on, guys. I'll go with that for now. Should we go for a bit more? We'll go with that, hey. That's a lot better. It's a lovely colour, isn't it? What do you think? Do you like it? That's beautiful actually. Second. Get this squished down a bit more. Don't want it to overflow. See all the bubbles popping away. Too much, haven't I? I don't know. I'll come back later for the next layer. Alright, and let's just go over with my lighter first. Be careful careful not to do your mould, because we don't want it melting and sticking to the resin, because you'll never get it out again. Alrighty then, see you in a little while. Here I'm just using some paper mache, or what's it called, paper mache air dry clay to form the waves, and I'm just prodding it with a sculpting tool. While the resin's still a bit sticky, I'm just trying to create a bit of texture within the water parts here. It kind of does go back. I did it a bit too early, that's the problem here. But I can try again another time and do it better. Okay, I'm going to try and draw a little killer whale. Sorry, it's difficult to speak when you are concentrating. Trying to do like an over overhead view building. Still see me? There we are. I can't find me smaller nibbed. My smaller nib pen. I'm not going to worry too much. There we are. So far. These bits here are going to be white, so I'm not going to overly worry about those really. I think I might just take that up a bit more. So we're going to have some white here, white there. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna draw some starfish. They are out of proportion because they become a bit too big really. And I also draw some palm trees in the two corners of the beach. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my subscribers, new and old. Thank you for all your support. I appreciate you all very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all soon. Ta-ta for now. Bye bye.